people of the world, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a part 2 of the Master Lock Challenge that Alex Kai R28 I think suggested, and the sun's up and over here on this side, so but it's fine, you guys can ignore it. But today we are back with another video, and if you guys hear some noise, that's my little niece. She's like sitting on the ground, but anyways, because I don't let her come out, But anyways, do you guys want to see her? Yeah? Okay, we'll see. So this is my niece. Hola, okay, pues bye. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start sitting down, I think. So we'll put you guys down.
You go first?
Yeah, I'll go first, I guess. I don't think we're too far. Ready?
Yeah. Go
so
for
I
it.
can't move my legs? Oh no, stand up, huh? Okay.
If you guys didn't see last video, you guys should go check it out. I beat her. I'll be in the description down below. You can get my shame. Until she gives up, that's when I'm gonna let go. Because I ain't letting go this time. I ain't letting go, baby. I ain't letting go. She took off her glasses, so scary. Ow! My fingers. Oh! Why you have a fucking print in my finger? Oh.
Oh, baby. Oh. Are you okay, boo-boo?
Yeah, how the fucking pull that shit back?
I'm sorry.
Okay, go.
Lo lastimé.
Go.
And now your turn.
That shit fucking hurt.
I don't really know. I'm weak. Oh, and he told us to match, but we didn't plan it, so he just wore his soccer sweater, and I was already wearing my soccer sweater. So okay, ready? Okay, go. I'm trying my hardest, guys.
You're letting go.
My finger. It's hard. I'm weak.
Okay, go.
Okay, so now we do standing up. Put you guys like that.
Let me move the chair.
Okay, go.
Okay. Go.
Okay. Cristo, ayúdame. No es cierto.
She ain't gonna get out now. You ain't gonna get out, baby. No.
Wait, put on my face and my cheek so my tones won't show like last time.
Not this time. Okay. That's not fair.
Why?
Because the hollow went down. Yes, it did.
Okay, guys. And something that we were gonna do, we were gonna go eat, but he doesn't want to take me out like this, guys. I'll show you guys. With my chanclas. You guys see my chanclas? With socks on. He thinks it looks all weird.
Okay.
But anyways, let's. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, go. Wait!
You said go?
Wait. Okay, go.
Hey, babe, no biting. What the hell? Babe, you can't bite, you cheater. Baby, stop. I'll take your ass. Get out. Yeah, maybe. No. Now we're gonna do the laying down one.
Oh yeah, he told us that we could lay down.
at me.
Okay, guys.
Here.
Okay, so I don't know how this one's supposed to work.
She's going first. Right, hold on. Stand up.
I don't know if we're doing this part
Okay.
right.
Go, baby.
Oh.
Go.
They
Go,
can see
baby.
like my stomach.
Go.
Hi, guys.
Go then. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Lift up your head.
It is a.
Okay, go.
I
Go.
feel like this is gonna be hard.
Go.
Then I'm gonna give up.
La 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 la. La. La.
I'm gonna take off my sunglasses. I'm not gonna rip them. Once I knock off from your foot, you can put it nowhere.
Okay. Wait back.
And you can.
I forgot. I forgot.
Hey, tía Lili. Tía Lili. Tía Lili. También me gusta pelear. Pero con mi amiguito no. Con mi amigo no me gusta pelear.
There you go.
Oh.
I made it, guys. Pues, she wants to say hi again. Okay, my turn, baby.
Hola.
This one's fun.
También me gusta pelear, pero...
Ok, ahorita vamos a hacer uno contigo también. Get up. Okay, ready? Go.
I heard your bones crack.
I know.
I'll just do your legs first.
I feel like you're struggling more than me. Not tickling, not tickling.
Okay.
Not tickling.
I agree with you on this one. This one was faster than what you did.
I feel like this is hard though. Ven. So she wants to do one too, so let's put her too. Ahí está. Te tienes que salir, ¿eh? 1, 2, 3. ¡Salte, salte! ¡Ah! 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 ¡Bravo! Sí. Ah. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna do one sitting like this. Okay? Wait, let me fix you guys a little bit more. Hello people, so we had an issue. We're still gonna upload the Master Lock Challenge, but the problem was that when I was gonna fix you guys for a better angle, I forgot to press play again, so we filmed. But right now we have to go do some stuff. But if you want part 3, we'll do it, and for sure everything will come out.
Yeah.
Sorry about that though. Like, I don't know what's been going on. We've been having to do a lot of stuff, and but yeah, if you want part 3, just let us know and we will. But we hope that you guys still enjoy it, and we'll see you guys until the next video. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And thank you guys for all the support you guys have been giving us. And also don't forget to stay tuned to keep on watching our videos. Till next time, hasta luego, bye.